Good day everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a brochure in Canva using your smartphone. So the first thing that we need to do is to download and install Canva. Just go to Google Play Store on your phone and then type in Canva. And then tap install. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And then once it's done installing, tap open. And then it's going to ask you to log in your account. After logging in, you're going to see the home page. And then once you're here, tap on templates. And then once you're inside templates, tap on the search button and then type in brochure. And then from here, as you can see, you have a lot of different options. There are a lot of different styles and different colors. So make sure to select the one that is free because there are some templates here that are paid version and then some are free version. So be sure to select the one that is free. And then once you have selected the template that you want, what you can do here is change the photos and the fonts. So what you need to do is tap on the photo that you want to change and then tap on allow. And then from here, it's going to show you the photos on your gallery and then you can just select any photo that you want to add to your brochure. Just do the same thing with the other photos and then what you can do is just adjust it. Just tap on the text and then type in whatever you want. You can also select different type of fonts. And by the way, you can also adjust the text. You can move it around and place it wherever you want. And then once you're done, just tap the save button here. And then wait for it to finish downloading. And then once it's done, it's going to be automatically saved on your gallery. And then you'll have the other options in here to share your brochure on different platforms. You can see we have Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, Google Drive, and many more. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.